How to find Clipboard on Android. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. Open up your settings application from your device and scroll all the way below to General Management. Once you do so, scroll below and go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. Again, scroll below and under Style and Layout, you will see Keyboard Toolbar. Make sure that you have toggled this on. And once you do so, you will be able to see your clipboard. Let's say when I open my keyboard, you will see this clipboard icon at this section. If you want to see it, all you have to do is just press on the keyboard icon and it will show you all the images and all the text that you have previously copied. So if that doesn't show up for you, then you can go ahead and install an application that's called Gboard. And once you install this application, it will direct you to the process of how you can see all the copied words in your clipboard. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if there are any topics that you would like us to cover in our YouTube tutorial, then do mention down below. We will see you in our next upload.